Hello and welcome to the channel, Statistics Decoded. This channel is for everyone who is keen to master the art of statistics but find it difficult to understand. We teach statistics in a simple way with sufficient real-life examples. In this video, you will learn about what descriptive statistics is and the foremost concept of descriptive statistics, measures of central tendency. What are descriptive statistics? Descriptive statistics are a fundamental tool in data analysis that involves collecting, analyzing, organizing, presenting, and summarizing data in a clear and concise manner. They provide an overview of a dataset's key characteristics, such as its central tendency, variability, and distribution. Why are descriptive statistics important? Descriptive statistics play a crucial role in data analysis due to their ability to summarize data. They provide a concise overview of a dataset's basic features, making it easier to understand and interpret. Identify patterns and trends. By examining measures of central tendency, variability, and distribution, we can uncover patterns and trends within the data. Compare datasets. Descriptive statistics allow us to compare similarities and differences between different datasets. Make informed decisions. By understanding the characteristics of a dataset, we can make informed decisions based on the available evidence. The types of descriptive statistics are 1. Measures of central tendency. The major measures of central tendency are arithmetic mean, the average of all values in a dataset; median, the middle value when values are arranged in ascending order; and mode, the most frequent value in a dataset. 2. Measures of variability. The measures of variability are standard deviation, the average distance of each data point from the mean; variance, the square of the standard deviation; and range, the difference between the largest and smallest values in a dataset. 3. Measures of divergence from normality. The measures of divergence from normality are skewness, a measure of the asymmetry of a distribution; and kurtosis, a measure of the tailedness of a distribution. Some real-world applications of descriptive statistics are: in education, teachers can use descriptive statistics to assess student performance, identify areas of improvement, and modify instruction. In finance, financial analysts use descriptive statistics to evaluate investment opportunities, assess company performance, and manage risk. In healthcare, medical professionals use descriptive statistics to analyze patient data, identify patterns in disease outbreaks, and develop effective treatment strategies. In marketing, marketers use descriptive statistics to understand customer behavior, target advertising campaigns, and measure campaign effectiveness. In environmental science, environmental scientists use descriptive statistics to analyze environmental data, assess pollution levels, and track changes in ecosystems. Descriptive statistics serve as a foundation for further statistical analysis and decision-making, providing valuable insights into the nature and patterns of data. Let us examine the first type of descriptive statistics, central tendency. Central tendency is the foremost and important concept in descriptive statistics. In this section, you will learn about the major measures of central tendency such as arithmetic mean, median, and mode. Central tendency is a fundamental concept in statistics. These measures describe the middle of a dataset. Statistical tests are based on central tendency. Understanding central tendency is essential for mastering statistics. What is central tendency? Definition of central tendency: a summary measure that describes a whole set of data with a single value that represents the middle or center of its distribution. This single value provides a comprehensive summary of the entire dataset. The major measures of central tendency are arithmetic mean, median, and mode. Measures of central tendency provide us with a single value which represents the entire data set. This value helps us in extracting valuable preliminary information about the entire data set. Arithmetic mean is usually referred to as average. But in statistics, all the three major measures such as arithmetic mean, median, and mode are called averages, which collectively is known as the measures of central tendency. From among these three averages, arithmetic mean is the most preferred measure of central tendency. Why is it the most preferred measure? Let us find out. What is arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean is the sum of all the observations in the dataset divided by the total number of observations. From the example data, you can see that the sum of the marks of 16 students is 217. By dividing 217 by the number of students, 16 students, you get 13.56, that is 14 marks. So 14 is the average mark of these 16 students. You can see that arithmetic mean is calculated from the entire dataset. Median is the middle value in a dataset when arranged in ascending order. At least half of the observations are equal to or smaller than the median, and at least half of the observations are equal to or greater than the median. In an even-numbered dataset, you will have two numbers in the middle. Since our dataset have 16 students, it is even-numbered and we take the average of the two middle numbers. So median is 28 divided by 2, 14. Example of median of an odd-numbered dataset. Here, 12 is the median. You can see that we need only the two middle values for calculating median from an even-numbered dataset and only one middle value for calculating median from an odd-numbered dataset. We do not take the remaining numbers for calculating median. This reveals that median does not take all the values in a dataset for its calculation. Mode is the value that appears most frequently in a data set. Mode equals frequently occurring value equals 14. 14 are occurring 4 times in this data set. You can see that we take only the frequently occurring value in the data set for mode. The other numbers do not have any role in calculating mode. This reveals that all the values in a data set are not taken for calculating mode. So, the measures of central tendency of the marks of 16 students are: arithmetic mean is 14. Median is 14. Mode is also 14. So, what do these values tell us? Arithmetic mean, the average mark of students in this class is 14. Median, 50% of students have 14 and above 14 marks and 50% of students have 14 and below 14 marks. Mode, 14 is the mark obtained by the highest number of students. In summary, arithmetic mean is calculated using the entire dataset. Median, we take only two middle numbers from the data set for calculating median of an even-numbered dataset, and for an odd-numbered dataset, we take the exact middle value. Mode, we take only the frequently occurring value in the dataset. So, arithmetic mean is the only value which takes all the values in the dataset, and thus it is the most preferred measure of central tendency for statistical interpretations because it is really representative of the entire dataset. Conclusion: measures of central tendency are useful tools for summarizing data and getting a general idea of what values are most representative. The mean, median, and mode are the three most common measures of central tendency. The mean is the most preferred measure of central tendency because it is the most representative and informative. Thus, it is also the most powerful measure of central tendency with more accuracy than median or mode. An example of how to use mean, median and mode in real time. Scenario: a teacher has just given a statistics exam to a class of 30 students. Scores range from 55 to 98. Mean, the average score on the exam is 79. Median, 81. Half of the students scored above 81 and half scored below 81. Mode, the most common score on the exam is 88. Interpretation: the mean, median, and mode are relatively close together, suggesting a symmetrical distribution. Most students scored around the average score of 79. A few students scored significantly higher or lower than the average. Implications for teaching: provide additional instruction to students who scored below 70. Challenge students who scored above 95 to extend their learning. Conclusion: the mean, median, and mode provide valuable insights into exam scores. Teachers can use these measures to make informed decisions about student support. Now reinforce what you have learned in this module with some questions. The right answer is also provided. Thank you. In the next video, the second part of the descriptive statistics, measures of variability, such as variance, standard deviation, and range, are explained in a very simplified manner. Watch. If you find this video interesting, please comment, share and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you. In the next video, the measures of variability is explained in detail. This concept is explained in a very simplified manner. Watch.